Hi, hello, welcome back to DYLB's channel. So today I will talk about NFT. Welcome to the weird and wonderful world of NFTs. If you are watching this, you've probably heard something about non-fungible token as that being the flavor of the month. This video will explain what is NFT and how it works, and what is the latest NFT in the market. NFT is stand for non-fungible token. Non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. It can be an image file, a song, a tweet, a text posted on a website, a physical item, and various other digital formats. This basically means that someone can own a digital file and that is marked with code to differentiate it from any digital replicas. People are paying millions of dollars for tokens. Yes, it's as wild as it sounds. In theory, anybody can tokenize their work to sell as an NFT, but interest has been fueled by recent headlines of multi-million-dollar sales. On February, an animated GIF of Nyan Cat, a 2011 meme of flying Pop-Tart cat, sold for more than $500,000. A few weeks later, musician Grimes sold some of her digital art for more than $6 million. It is not just art that is tokenized and sold. Twitter's founder Jack Dorsey has promoted an NFT of the first ever tweet with bits of hitting 2.5 million. Christie's sale of an NFT by digital artist Beeple for 69 million set a new record for digital art. Argentina soccer star Lionel Messi has launched his own collections of NFTs, a crypto art that was created with his image by digital designer Boss Logic. Messi, 34, is portrayed as a king, superhero, and Greek titan in work entitled Man from Future, Worth the Wait, and the King piece that celebrate his career highlights. Can you imagine that? NFTs are unique, stored on the blockchain, accepts no substitutes, and can't be hacked or tampered with. Investing in NFTs is a largely personal decision. If you have money to spare, it may be worth considering, especially if a piece holds meaning for you. But keep in mind, an NFT value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it. Therefore, demand will drive the price rather than fundamental, technical, or economic indicators which typically influence stock prices and at least generally form the basis for investor demand. Approach NFTs just like you would any investment. Do your own research and understand the risk, including that you might lose of all your investing dollars. Okay guys, that's all from me. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, NFTs, and blockchain, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!